Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you have a treadmill and want to work and walk at the same time, then you're going to love this treadmill desk. I have been wanting to walk while I get my work done, and I just needed something for this treadmill, and Miden delivered. This is the perfect size. If you have a treadmill with arms that come out like this, they have made the most perfect desk setup. You just use the straps to secure it right to the arms of your treadmill, and you are good to go. This not only has a protective bar so you don't have to worry about your laptop coming off the desk, but it also has a spot for a tablet or your cell phone, and it is so big it fits absolutely everything. I recommend this treadmill desk to anyone. I have been loving it. It has gotten me so many steps in, so much work done, and I am so happy with it. And that's my point of view.